Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to backup contacts to Gmail. So guys, at first go to your contacts. Now tap on the two dots icon in the right side of corner. Tap on settings. Now tap on import and export contacts. And now select export to storage devices. And then select all contacts. Now tap on export. And guys, as you can see, the contact will be exported here, and also the contact's name is showing. So now tap on save, and guys, your contact has been exported. So now go back. Now go to your browser and search google.com. Now tap on the dots and then select contacts. Now just tap on import contacts. Now tap on select file. Now select the contacts and then tap on OK. Now just tap on import. So guys, as you can see, my all contacts number are backed up to my Gmail. So guys, that's it, and that's how you can backup contacts to Gmail very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.